Good evening, guys. I'm here once again to show you my collection. Okay, this one is a new package that I received today, so I'm really excited to open it. So help me, guys. Okay. There we go. Okay, so this is a big box. I'm gonna show you here. So inside I got it from eBay. The eBay seller that is selling these stuff are very kind to me. She even gave me, or he gave me some freebies. Here you go. I love towel. So I have towel. This one is a card. Okay, fan-made card. Chris, some stickers. Here we go. And oh, here. This one is mid card. Okay. So all members, I guess. Okay. Shane, Luhan, Lay, Chris. Okay, Chen, Gil. Okay, let's go. And then she even gave me a photo card. Okay. And then, okay, so inside you will see this one. This is the first EXO Polaroid. I didn't have any copy of it, so I'm really glad that the seller has it. I purchased this one. Okay. And then inside we have magazines. So first is I have Star M February 2 issue. There's 6 and EXO. Okay. And we have a poster inside too. Here we go. We have Shiny. And inside I have EXO. And then also I have the 1010 magazine. The cover is Dionico. Okay, but you can see there's EXO inside too. I'm going to make another video for what's inside. But for now, let's check the other items that I have. I also have this one. This one is the Bromide magazine, February 2014 issue with EXO as the cover. Okay. And look at that, Celebrity magazine. So this one is volume 1. You can see volume 1. And then I have Celebrity magazine, volume 3. Okay. And Celebrity magazine, volume 2. Actually 4. And Celebrity Magazine Volume 4. I have 4 Celebrity Magazines. Celebrity Magazines are actually very thick. So I'm gonna make another video while checking what's inside these magazines, so the reviews for these magazines. But for now, thank you guys for watching me unboxing my new package. Okay, so have a nice evening and good night.